fam, today I want to ask you, how far can humans go in playing gods? This video is about ways people modified animals to develop unique abilities. And the last one will make you go... Okay, everyone loves puppies as pets, right? But some scientists made them extra bright. South Korean researchers cloned a bunch of dogs that can glow in the dark. They injected fluorescent genes into the skin cells of beagles and put them inside a mother's womb. The result? Baby bagels born with nails and tummies that look red on the outside and glow brighter under ultraviolet light. Speaking of red animals, the next attempt of humans playing gods: featherless chickens. Scientists in Israel bred these naked chickens so humans can save time and money on removing their feathers. They grow faster, leaner, and survive better in hot weather. From chicken to a cow, the examples will only get crazier. Belgian blue cows are born without the protein that regulates how their muscles grow, so they end up having very lean bodies that can weigh more than a ton. All this modification just so you can have a better steak. Let me ask you again. How far can humans go in playing gods? Now, for me as someone who doesn't eat meat, it makes me feel pretty bad. So let me break this video with a quick game. Which among these animal pairs can build a bulletproof vest? Alligator and elephant, spider and goat, turtle and snake. Spider and goat. Yes, humans transplanted spider DNA into cells of goats so they can produce milk with a certain kind of protein.
We can knock this open and you can take a look and see.
Well, it just looks like normal milk.
That protein can be used to make more spider silk, much more than spiders can do on their own. And that goat spider silk is 6 times stronger than steel, so it can be used to make body armor. And that is not the only way goats can help humans. Turns out, some of them were also engineered to produce milk for human babies. This was achieved by implanting goat embryos with genes for human breast milk enzymes and proteins. Wow. And playing gods can push the limits even further. Some scientists managed to grow human stem cells inside the embryos of pigs and rats, all to see if human organs can grow inside a different body. The result was promising, but they had to cut the experiment short to analyze the effects. A few years from now, they hope this process works to transfer fully formed organs to people who might need them. Imagine getting a transplant kidney from a pig. And finally, the last experiment, a mouse with a human ear. Back in the 90s, 3 doctors made an ear-shaped structure with cow cartilage cells. This was implanted inside a mouse.
This is a very, very important step in the science.
The human ear copy cannot hear sounds, but the doctors just wanted to prove it could survive in another body. Once this process is perfected, researchers can move on to larger animals, until they reach the point when humans can grow their own body parts. What do you think about all of this? When it comes to me, if something can serve in saving human lives, I'm all for it. But if it's done only so we can have a leaner steak on our plate, I'm totally against it. So now that we know humans can play gods and change the nature, we can hope these gods can also play humans and not change the nature so much that it becomes heartless.